Question 5 is coming from trigonometry. They are saying solve the equation, this one here, for theta ranging from 0 to 90. So we'll just cross multiply here, and then we get tan of theta, then plus 3 sine of theta plus 2. Then this one will be equal to 2 tan theta minus 6 sine of theta, then plus 2. And then we can collect like terms together, so bring everything this side. We shall get now tan of theta minus 2 tan theta, then plus 3 sine of theta plus 6 sine of theta, and then of course this 2 here will cancel, and then this one is equal to 0. So what do we have here? This is minus tan theta minus tan of theta, and then this one is 9 sine theta. So 9 sine of theta, which is equal to 0. Now I can express this one maybe in terms of sine and cos. We know that tan of theta is equal to the sine of theta out of the cosine of theta. So here we shall have negative sine of theta out of the cosine of theta, then plus 9 sine of theta, which is equal to 0. Now I can factorize out the sine of theta. It is common, so here we'll have negative 1 over the cosine of theta, and then plus 9 here, which is equal to 0. Now these two factors, I will equate them to 0. So sine of theta is equal to 0, and then theta will be the arc sine of 0. This one will give us 0 degrees, there's 180 degrees, there's 360 degrees, and many more. And then this one, negative 1 over the cosine of theta, then plus 9. I also equate it to 0. Then I can take this one, this other side. Then we shall have 9, which is equal to 1 over the cosine of theta. When I cross multiply and then I divide all through by 9, cosine of theta will actually be equal to 1 over 9. And therefore theta becomes the arc cosine of 1 over 9. Now, since our domain is in the first quadrant only, so I'll just get the arc cos of 1 over 9, and then I get the answer. Arc cos of 1 over 9, make sure your calculator is in radians. So this is 83.6. I don't need to get any other answer where cosine is positive, because that will be the fourth quadrant. And the fourth quadrant, that will be 360 minus this one here. So the angle will be far bigger. So therefore, the two answers that I can have, theta is going to be equal to, here I can pick a 0, and then I'll take this one here. That is 83.6 degrees. Remember they said from 0 to 90 degrees. 0 is inclusive and also 90 is inclusive. So that's why I'm picking a 0 here. Okay, so that is that.